Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to add people in Facebook. Let's start. At first you have to open the Facebook app and right there tap on here, and here as you guys can see those are the friend requests, and if I confirm them they will be added automatically in my friend list. But here is the friend suggestion. If you guys want to add people through friend suggestion, then you just have to simply tap on add friend like this, and that way you guys can add a person. But if you guys want to search about your friend to add him, then tap like here. Then you have to put the name of your friend. In that way you guys can find friends like this. Now tap on here. And here they will show you the search result. Now try to find the friend that you want to add. For example, I want to add this person. Now I have to tap on add friend. In that way you guys can also add someone in Facebook, but after that this person have to accept your request, then you guys can be friend in Facebook. See how easy it is? Hope this video helped you. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If you like the video, then subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye bye.